You're watching Shoot Your Shot TV, and today we have the Air Jordan 3. These are the Air Jordan 3 Black Cement. If you're familiar with our channel, you know we love retro Jordans over here, especially when they come in their OG colorways. But before we jump into it, we want to give a huge shout out to 1985 Gallery for letting us get an early look at one of this year's most anticipated sneakers. But let's go ahead and dive into the details of the legendary Black Cement 3. Starting at the tongue, you do have this gray leather tongue with the fire red Jumpman embroidered on. On the opposite side of the tongue, you have this soft cotton material in fire red as well. The rest of the tongue consists of that same leather material with perforated holes. You do have a combination of plastic eyelets in gray, black, and fire red, and they come with flat black laces. Taking us to the toe box, you have this soft black leather with the soft black leather overlays, and as you get towards the tip of the toe, you have that iconic elephant print. Taking us to the side of the shoe, it has more of that smooth black leather and gray leather underlays. As you get towards the rear of the shoe, you do have more of that iconic elephant print. Taking us to the back of the shoe at the top of the collar, you do have more of that gray leather with perforated holes. And then you have that iconic rubberized heel tab with the Nike Air hit on the heel cup. Taking us to the midsole, you have your classic Jordan 3 midsole with both black and white, and it has that visible air unit as well. Taking us to the outsole, you have your classic Jordan 3 outsole in gray and white with the fire red Nike. The Air Jordan 3 Black Cement is arguably the best Jordan of all time as it sits atop the list of many sneakerheads. These were designed by Tinker Hatfield and they debuted in 1988. Couple fun facts, this was the first Jordan that Tinker Hatfield worked on. It's the first Jordan to feature a Jumpman, and it's the first sneaker to ever have that iconic elephant print. Jordan wore these in the 1988 All-Star Game, but he didn't wear them in a single regular season game. He would wear the white cements or the fire red 3s. Shout out to my cousin Ed for fact checking me, making sure I got all the history right. Appreciate it. The Jordan 3 is just one of those classic sneakers. They've released a handful of times over the years, but this release is said to be closer to the original as far as fit, feel, and shape. I love this shoe so much. I've owned a couple pairs over the years. I've had the 2001, the 2008, the 2011. It's just a shoe that's still special nearly 40 years later. I like it so much that I based my album cover for Swoosh Pack off one of the Jordan 3 advertisements of Michael Jordan sitting on a basketball wearing this exact shoe. Personally, I think this is the quintessential Jordan 3. Some people love the fire red, some people love the white cements, and some people love the true blues. But I think this one right here just captures the true essence of sneaker culture, the 80s going into the 90s. I just think that this changed the game for sneakers, and it's still a classic that you can't go wrong with to this day. The Air Jordan 3 Black Cement will be releasing globally on Friday, November 23rd. If you're in the area, make sure you stop by 1985 Gallery. Follow them on Instagram so you can stay up to date with the release details. If you miss out online or in store, you can always click our StockX affiliate link to make your purchase. Any purchase made using that link helps support the channel so we can keep these reviews coming. As far as comfort's concerned, I've said it before on previous Jordan 3 reviews, but the Jordan 3 is one of the more comfortable retro Jordans. There's a nice width there in the toe box. There's a lot of room. They don't feel too constricting, and I really love the padding around the collar and the tongue. It's just a cozy shoe that I could wear for hours on end. I suggest going true to size. As far as style is concerned, this is a universal sneaker that you can wear with anything. I promise you, you can't go wrong with the Jordan 3 Black Cement. But how do you all feel about the Air Jordan 3 Black Cement? Is this at the top of your list for pickups of 2024? Do you already own a couple pairs? What year is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We love to hear from you all. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so you can be notified when we drop new episodes. But let's go ahead and try these on.
catch me with my younger cousin. We touching hundreds by the dozens. It's nothing, we just getting up buckets like shooting drills. If you take a shot, you better shoot to kill. When life you got, you can't edit, dog, this ain't no Nike movie box, hold the high tops. Command Force, season tickets for the skybox. Jordan 4, change the wave whenever I drive. Purple Air Force, still do whatever I want. CB94, Nike box, hold the high tops. Command Force, season tickets for the skybox. Jordan 4, change the wave whenever I drive. Purple Air Force, still do whatever I want. CB94, yeah. Still real and I'm still loyal. Really ballin' now in these Billy Hoyles. David Robinsons got me feeling like the Admiral. I stay focused without popping the Adderall. Splurge in private, that's how a phantom ball. They said they on my line, but all I ever got was phantom calls. Goggles like I'm Cannonball, just need a purple leather. Purple label Ralph, how I stitch this all together. Or that vanity cardigan, mix it with the Prada pants. Nike Agassiz straight, looking like a lava lamp. Wavy, trying to touch different.
If you enjoyed this review on the Air Jordan 3 Black Cement, make sure you check out all our other retro Jordan reviews. We have a bunch for you all to binge and enjoy. And hit that like and subscribe button so you can be notified when we drop new episodes. And we'll catch you on the next one.